Hello singers and welcome to Singgeek. So 2019 has just started and I thought I would jump on here and help you guys set some goals that will help you become better singers in 2019. Happy New Year's. So happy New Year's. Before we go any further, I want to give a quick shout out to Miss Demetrius's 6th period class. One of your students wrote me that you guys use my videos on Tuesdays, and it just made me so happy that you guys are singing with me. So keep singing and let me know if there's anything that you ever want me to work on. I would love to do that. And since we're talking about things that we're thankful for, I want to talk to you guys about what I'm thankful about in 2018. Our YouTube channel here at Singgeek has grown from just a few subs to when I woke up this morning, we hit the 1,300 mark. So that's just so cool. I'm so thankful that you guys are here singing with me. Those of you guys who've been following me for a while, maybe you know that I used to be a vocal coach in Los Angeles for 6 years. And then I moved back to Denmark and I just really missed working intensely with my students. I had like 50 students a week or something that I was working with. So that's why I started going here on YouTube so that I could geek out with you guys. And it looks like it's something that you guys are having fun with. And so I just hope for 2019 we're just going to keep growing and help as many people as we can get the voice that they want. So since we're talking about the old year and the new year's, let's get started on the list. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go and grab really quickly a pen and some paper, because when you write the stuff down, it really becomes more real. So pause your video and do that. Okay, now that you have done that, write down 2018. And then I want you to think about something that you have done for your singing to become a better singer in 2018. It can be big or small. For example, it could be that you have subscribed to a YouTube channel and that you've started working on different lessons. Or it can be that you did your first performance and that it was really scary, but you did it. So write down something that you're proud of doing in 2018 that helped your voice. Okay, then now write 2019. And we're going to set some goals for you. So what helps you become a better singer? Well, it is that you decide that you want to do something and that you actually do it. So if you read my book, Vocal Quest, you know that I'm all about the little steps, the little goals, because it might be that you want to win American Idol, but it's not a goal that you necessarily can take step by step by step. It might be a lot and it might actually stress you out if you think that you're going to get there within just 1 year. So let's pick some small goals that you can set step by step by step and you can keep growing. So for example, a goal that you could set yourself is that you want to master your breathing technique so that you can support your voice and sing those nice long notes. So if it's not something that you worked on last year, maybe you want to work on it this year to support your voice. That's a good goal to have. It can also be that you want to work on your resonant to get a nice resonant voice, or something else that's very technical about your voice that you've been wanting to do. It can also just be something that you say, I want to practice singing once or twice a week. That's also a great goal to have. Look at some of the tracks that I have here on my channel. It's like tracks that you can sing along to practice your singing. Okay, let's get to a little bit more to just get into just being a singer. So I think a lot of people, they sing at home and they love singing at home, but they actually want to maybe take the next step. But that can be very hard. So you keep practicing at home, but you're not taking the steps to perform or do something like that. So one thing that you can do is that you can sign up for an open mic. That would be a good goal to have. I've had that myself as a goal before. That you scout out, okay, in my area, where might there be an open mic? And you sign up for it and you go and you perform. That could be a goal to set yourself. It could also just be a goal to learn a new song. It's actually hard to master a whole song, right? A lot of us, we sing along with our favorite songs or we learn riffs and runs, but sit down, pick one of your favorite songs, learn it from beginning to end, sing it with a karaoke track, and maybe even set yourself the goal that you want to go and actually perform the song at a karaoke night. Another goal could also be that you want to find someone to play with. So if you're a singer and you want to take the step to maybe do more, then it could be that you go and you find someone who plays the guitar and that you guys start jamming out together on some songs. Who knows, you might even start writing songs together. So I think that your list should include some of these goals where you think, okay, in 2019, I can do this. That's what I do every year. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. And I hope that you have your list and you kept working on it. Share in the comments below what you're proud of having done with your voice in 2018, and share with us what your goals are. Maybe we can inspire each other. That would be really cool. I want to know, I genuinely want to know how you guys are doing and what you want to do. So guys, Happy New Year. I wish you the best 2019. And I'll see you. We'll keep continuing this year to geek out on your voice, to create the sound that you want. Happy New Year's.